rearing and management of fishes. Okay. Yes. It is not visible. Yes, now it is visible. Rearing and management of fishes on large scale. Okay. So what is apiculture? Rearing of honeybees. And what is pisciculture? Rearing and management of fishes. It is for fishes. It is for honeybees. Okay. Yes. Now, apiculture is also called beekeeping. But it is also called beekeeping. Because in this we keep the honeybees. Okay. Pisciculture is also called fish farming. Fish farming. Okay. It is clear to all? Show a thumbs up. If it is not clear, then I will give you time at the last so that you can clear your doubt. Okay. Now next next term is poultry. It is the rearing and management of birds to get eggs. Okay, but it gives birds gives us egg and etc. Okay, it is clear. Apiculture, honeybees, or in pisciculture, fishes, in poultry, birds. Okay, you have to learn the definition also. Okay, that I have told you. Okay, poultry is rearing and management of birds to get eggs, etc. Okay. Yes. Now you all know what are decomposers. What are the decomposers? Yes. Sarabjit Kaur. Ma'am, please unmute Sarabjit Kaur. Yes.
Yes, but you can speak.
Ma'am, due to some network problem, I have joined it now. So what did you explain?
Okay. Firstly, we have discussed apiculture. Okay. What is apiculture? Apiculture is the rearing of honeybees on large scale to get honey. Okay. What is pisciculture? It is the rearing and management of fishes. Okay. For now, next is poultry. In this, it is the rearing and management of birds to get eggs. There are many things that we get from fishes also. For example, oil. Okay. Some people also eat fish. Yes. So it gives us food also. So next we will discuss is Tanishka, you know what are decomposers? Yes. Ma'am, please unmute Tanishka.
But you can speak. I have given you right.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
The fungi and bacteria which act on dead plants and animals break
Yes.
them down into the soil.
Yes.
And
Good.
it makes the soil fertile.
Yes. Now next is decomposers. The exact definition I am giving you. Now please of the chat for students also. They are messaging. I will take your doubts at the end of the session. Don't worry, okay? So there are certain organisms that feed on. Don't worry, I will give you notes. I will send today. Okay? Certain living organisms that feed on. These are also living organisms. Decomposers are also living. We can't see them. Okay, for example, bacteria. We can't see bacteria with the naked eyes. Okay, how we can see them? We can see them with the help of microscope. Okay, yeah. Now next, certain living organisms that feed on dead and decaying matter. Either they can be plants or they can be animals. Okay, decaying dead and decaying matter means वो plants भी dead हो सकते हैं, उन पे भी act कर सकते हैं, dead animals पे भी act कर सकते हैं. Okay, now you all have done the table number 1.4 and 1.5. Yes, good. So Javish, you have done the table 1.4. Ma'am, please unmute. Javish. Yes. What is the second food item?
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, second food item.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, I don't have book now.
Okay, you don't have book. Sukhsagar? You have done the activity? Sorry, table 1.4. Yes. Tell me the second food item.
Ma'am,
First is written.
Ma'am, food item dal
Yes.
and ingredients, pulses,
Yes.
water, spices, and seed.
Pulses, water, spices, and
This seed.
which type of seed? Okay.
Mm,
For making dal, what you need is pulses. We get pulses from plants. Okay. Now next is spices that you also get from plant. Yes. So you have also write the part of the plant. I am giving you 1 day for completing it. Okay. You have to do it. And today you will send me its pic in my WhatsApp number. Now next is animals and their food. All I've done. Students, the work that is given to you, you have the duty to do it. Okay? It is your duty and responsibility also. I know you are very good students, but do your work at proper time. Okay? Yes. Now next, rat. What the rat eats? Grains and cloth. Okay? Lion, flesh of other animals. Yes. Tiger. What the tiger eats? Anmol. What the tiger eats? What the tiger eat?
Meat of red.
Yes. Your voice is not clear.
of other animals.
Repeat again.
Animals. Meat of other animals.
Yes, it eats flesh of other animals. Good. Spider. Gazelle. स्पाइडर क्या खाता है? अंशु, मैम प्लीज अनम्यूट अंशु. यस. यस. Anshu, what spider eat? Have you all seen the spider? Yes.
बेटे माइक ऑन करोगे तो सुनेगा आपको, ऐसे सुन नहीं रही आवाज.
आवाज ही
माइक
नहीं आ
ऑन
रही
करिए.
बच्चे. Okay. Other student will answer. Navalpreet Kaur. What spider eat?
Spider eats insects.
Insects. Yes. So now, have you seen house lizard? You see it in winter or summer? When you see it in summers or winters? Ame, when you see in which season you can easily see the lizards and winter? Sorry, summer or winter? Your voice is not coming. Ma'am, please unmute. Amazing. Unmute.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you can see lizards in summers.
Yes. Good. So, what the house lizard eat?
Ma'am, they eat mosquitoes and insects.
Yes. So, answer is insects. So, what a cow eats, you all know. Grass, chapati, oil cake and grains. Yes. Human beings, it is very easy what we eat. Jai Banga. Ma'am, please unmute Jai Banga.
Ma'am, vegetables and meat.
Yes, we eat chapati, egg and flesh of other animals also. Butterfly. Butterfly. Who will answer? Yes. Himanshu. Yes.
Ma'am, flower nectar.
Yes, good. Crow. Firstly, tell me, crow is herbivore or carnivore or omnivore? Yes, Samriddhi. Crow is Yes, it is omnivores. Good. Now, so what it eats? It eats, crow eats flesh and grain. Okay. Now, other animals, they can eat either, they eat both plants and animals. Okay, answer is both plant and animal products and either plants or animal products. क्योंकि अब इनमें कोई भी नेम मेंशन नहीं किया गया है, अदर कोई भी हो सकता है, ठीक है. Particular name is not mentioned here, so you can write they can eat both plant and animals, or either they can eat only plants or only animals. Okay, now in table 1.6, from these you will select herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Okay, from these, from table 1.5 you will separate all the animals, herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Okay, now next come to the back exercise. Yes, page number 6. Open. Show thumbs up if I will ask back exercise from you all. If you are ready. Otherwise, I will tell you. Okay. Show thumbs up, lower your hands. Yes. Okay. First is matching. Match the items given in column A with that in column B. Milk, curd, paneer, ghee. These are, match the column. These are, nahin. Sachit, you know the answer? Yes, answer me. Milk, curd, paneer, ghee. Eat other animals, eat plants and plant products, are vegetable, are all animal products. What is the answer? Ruhani, Sanchi, okay. Sanchi is answering.
Are all animal products.
Are all animal products. Match it. First is are all animal products. Good. Spinach, cauliflower, carrot are, what are these? Yes. Vasvi. Spinach, cauliflower, carrot are,
Ma'am,
Are-
eat plant. Ma'am, are vegetables.
yes, these are vegetables. So the answer is spinach, cauliflower, carrot are vegetables. Good. Now, lions and tigers eat plant and plant products or eat other animals? Yes, Sophia. Sophia. Yes, answer is lions and tigers eat there are so many.
बेटे माइक ऑन करो, माइक ऑन करो.
Sophia, on your
Imani ma'am, kindly tell them to fill the attendance as it is shared twice. Attendance form is shared twice. Kindly.
okay. So please mark your attendance also. Rudra, you know the answer. Lion and tigers are eat.
Ma'am, eat other animals.
Yes, very good. Herbivores obviously एक रह गया है. Herbivores eat plant and plant products. Now your matching the column is done. Milk, curd, paneer, ghee are all animal products. Spinach, cauliflower, carrot are vegetables. Lion and tigers eat other animals. Herbivores eat plants and plant products. Okay. Now next, coming to the fill in the blanks. Page number 7. Tiger is a dash because it eat only meat. What are the animals that eat only meat? or flesh of other animals? Ruhani. I try that all students can answer. I am trying my best. Tiger is a dash because it only eat meat. कौन से एनिमल्स होते हैं जो सिर्फ मीट ही खाते हैं? हरमन सिंह, you know the answer?
Ma'am, carnivore.
Yes, so first answer is carnivore. Now next, deer eat only plant products, so it is called herbivore. What it is called? Herbivore. Yes. Now next, parrot eat only dash products. Parrot eat meat? No. What it eats? Harshpreet? Yes, Harshpreet, parrot eats only. Okay, I am giving the answer. Plant products. Okay. Yes. Now next is the dash that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes, and goat, is an animal product. It is that liquid that we drink. Yes. Yashika. Its answer is
Ma'am, milk.
yes. We get sugar from sugar cane, and you can also write sugar beet. Okay. Yes, students, I will send you its exercise question answer today and extra question answers also that you have to write on your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Okay. Yes. Now, you all know that okay, you all know that tigers have very sharp teeth. Very sharp. Lions also have sharp teeth like this. Yes. Is it visible to all?